Hey guys, it's Matt with Rural Iowa. Welcome back, and I'm going to do an unboxing video today because I ended up finding this Coleman 2-burner stove, a camp stove, and it looks like it's never been opened. Usually they go for like $115 I've seen online. Got this one for $50, so I'm going to unbox it and we'll see if this thing works together. So let's see if we can find out. Again, this is a Coleman dual fuel compact stove. It says that it runs on Coleman fuel or unleaded gasoline, so I guess we'll try that out sometime. But yeah, we'll see. It looks like it's a model 42700. Yet again, it doesn't look like it's been opened. This is one single piece of tape. This is one single piece of tape. So I'm guessing that it was never opened before. So let's cut into this. See what we got. Opening it up, looks like it's in its regular packing stuff. Let's go ahead and pull it out. Okay. So take this off. Take that off. I think it's got a latch here. Go ahead and open it up. Actually, it looks brand new. The stuff's still inside of it. I've never actually used one of these before, so I don't know how it's supposed to go together. So bear with me. Take the top off here. Here's our fuel tank that we put our fuel in. Here is a funnel, Coleman funnel, filter funnel it says. So, looks like we have a dual fuel stove manual with part numbers and how to assemble it. Alright then, so I'll read some instructions and then I'll get back to you. Pretty decent instructions on how to put this thing together. So installing the tank. Installing the tank says insert generator into a large hole on front of stove into mixing chamber above the burner. It's got a nice little picture. So from what the instructions say, you're supposed to take this, in there like so. Is it really that easy? That's weird. It says on there, lever must be turned up to light and down to cook. So I guess we'll keep that in mind. But let's go ahead and see if we can fill this thing. Alright, let's see. Alright, we filled the tank. Looks like it says pumping, make sure fuel valve is off and fuel cap is firmly closed, so. Okay. Alright, so it says be sure the fuel valve is off and the fuel cap is closed. Open the pump knob one turn and pump approximately 30 strokes, so. Okay, I pumped it 30 times. Alright, so let's go ahead and install it. Insert generator into large hole in front of stove, into mixing chamber above burner. Engage tank clips into slots on front of stove. So we've done that there, and we've done that here. So then it says swing wind baffles out and insert wire clips into slots at end of stove. So yet again, this thing's brand new, so it's still got these clips on here, or these pieces of tape on here. Take those off. That folds out like that. Goes in there like that. I don't know. I'm just guessing. I don't think it looks right. I don't know. What's the picture look like? Okay, well they're not jammed in there as far as I jammed them in there. So let's go ahead and bring it out a little bit, I guess. The wind baffles are out. So now, I'm lighting the main burner. Close auxiliary valve. Turn lighting lever to up position. So close auxiliary valve, which is this burner over here. So that's shut off. Turn this to the up position. Hold lit match to main burner before opening the fuel valve. So I got a lighter. So far we've got nothing. So I'm going to undo this. I'm going to re-pump it to see if maybe that's my issue. Hey, there it goes. Alright. Whoop. It said down to cook. Here's what we're looking for. And to light the auxiliary one, I assume we do the same thing. We got them both going. So there we have it. It works. This says 35 for full pump. I wonder what the auxiliary... So apparently the auxiliary burner isn't the true... Because that just has a regular flame. That has a much hotter flame, so... I don't know. It works though. Anyway. Glad to see it works. And this was my first unboxing video, so glad that it worked out. So this is the auxiliary deal that I just shut off, and that shut off. Let's turn this knob. And that'll shut off eventually. Supposed to. Again, it's supposed to shut off. Still burning. Interesting. I do have this shut off, but this is still... I don't know if it's supposed to do that or not. I'd assume not, but I don't know. Never owned one before. Guess let me know down in the comments if that's how that's supposed to work out. But, nice thing about this... Trying to get in here. Stove model and then replacement generator. So I don't know, there's the numbers if you ever want to try and replace the generator on it. I've also heard that there are replacement deals that you can do with this that turns it from a camp fuel to a propane, which I'm kind of interested in. I like propane. Camp fuel is definitely better if you're going into different altitudes and things like that. Biggest pain that people have is that you have to keep pushing that and keeping it pressurized. But I don't know. It's a neat little stove for 50 bucks when it's $119 if you get it anywhere else. I think I ended up doing alright with it. Definitely taking on some camping trips and see how it does. Definitely happy about what we're doing here. I'll have to look and see. People have to let me know. Can you use kerosene with this? Not sure about that. So I can put this back if I can remember how it goes. Goes in those two holes. It just sits down like that. So I don't know, a quick little video. Hope you guys liked it. If you do like, make a comment. Tell me if you think that this was a good purchase or not, or if it was a waste of money. But yeah, let me know what you think, and thank you for watching. Again, this is Matt from rural Iowa, and this is my model 424700. Can evidently run off of Coleman fuel or unleaded gasoline, which that's very interesting. And again, let me know what you think in the comments, and thanks for stopping by, and like it because this is interesting enough. I mean, I think I got a heck of a deal, but maybe some people don't, so let me know in the comments. But take care.